Apple MacBook Air MJVM2LL/A11.6-inch laptop. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Exceeded my expectations. Some of the reviews had me a bit nervous, but I can't tell you how happy I am. The laptop is on almost brand new condition. Only one tiny nick on the front, you can't see it unless you're looking, and it was perfectly ready for me to set up my account. No issues or problems. It comes in a box perfectly protected and has the charger to go with as well, so happy with it. This MacBook Air is amazing. I had been previously using a 2007 MacBook Air and it was time to upgrade. I have never purchased refurbished before, so I really didn't know what to expect, though was greatly concerned. Needless to say that this laptop heavily exceeded my expectations. Other reviewers stated that their MacBook was not as described, though mine looks brand new. The keys are still crisp and clean, the screen immaculate. There are a few light scratches on the outside of the computer, mostly the underside, but it is very minimal and unnoticeable. It runs like a dream, though I have only begun using it. I will update should the computer have any issues. It is in early 2015 with 4 GB RAM and its OS is Sierra. I wanted to share that, as I found the Q&A to be a little confusing on that point and other reviews didn't really mention it. I was very hesitant buying a used MacBook from Amazon, but it turned out great. Looks new and works amazingly. You will receive exactly what was described. I have no complaints. All in all, the laptop works great. It runs fast, it's clean, and it's perfect for what I needed it. Technical details: 11 inches laptop, 1.6 GHz Intel Core i5. 4 GB memory, 128 GB SSD. Integrated Intel HD graphics 6000 graphics processor. Connectivity includes 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, analog audio out, a single Thunderbolt 2 port, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. Fresh installation of macOS 10.1 Mojave, includes new MagSafeadapter. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.